The Object Detection tool for ArcGIS Pro uses deep learning to interactively detect objects in your 2D and 3D maps. This tool requires an ArcGIS for Desktop Advanced license and some initial environment setup with details linked in the description of this video. Now, let me show you how to detect windows in a city scene using the Object Detection tool. To activate the Object Detection tool, click the Analysis tab and open the Exploratory Analysis gallery. Choose Object Detection. The tool opens the Exploratory Analysis pane with the Object Detection tool active. I'm going to use Esri's provided Windows and Doors Deep Learning model. If you don't see it listed, you can click the download option to add it. For classes, I'll choose Windows to only detect windows. For symbology, I'll choose vertical bounding box so it'll display the width and height of the windows. I'll go with the default parameters for the rest. Now, I'll just position my camera at the viewpoint I want to analyze and click Apply. The Object Detection tool captures my current view and runs the object detection. In a matter of seconds, I have a new feature layer with point features and attributes describing the windows that it found. I can run the tool from different viewpoints in quick succession to detect more and more objects. With each capture, I can add a description attribute. This can be used for organizing or grouping your detections. The possibilities with the Object Detection tool are endless. You can download other deep learning packages from Portal to detect other types of objects or even train your own models and use them with this tool. Just like that, we've harnessed the power of deep learning with the Object Detection tool to automatically detect objects in ArcGIS Pro.